Every second, someone somewhere slips into a pair of jeans. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this iconic fabric is born? This is the untold journey of denim from cotton field to fashion statement. From the bustling streets of New York to the corners of small towns in Africa, one fashion piece unites us all. Jeans, loved for decades, worn by millions, but where does this iconic fabric come from? It all starts here, in the open cotton fields where the story of denim begins. Under the sun, cotton plants mature, their bolls blooming with the promise of something great. Once harvested, the cotton is taken to the ginning mill, where machines separate the fibers from seeds, leaving behind pure, clean cotton lint ready for transformation. The lint is packed into bales, compressed, labeled, and shipped across borders, each bale carrying the DNA of the denim to come. At the spinning mill, the cotton takes its first step toward becoming fabric. Fibers are stretched, twisted, and spun into yarn, soft yet strong. But denim wouldn't be denim without its deep blue soul. Indigo dye, a centuries-old color, transforms the yarn in a mesmerizing cycle of dips, oxidations, and drying. The dyed yarn is then woven, warp and weft, dancing in a tulle formation to create the robust, textured cloth we call denim. To ensure your jeans keep their shape, the fabric is sandforized, heated, pressed, and stabilized to resist shrinkage and last longer. Comfort comes next. The rough fabric is softened in industrial washes with enzymes and conditioners, making it gentle against your skin from day one. Before leaving the mill, each roll is inspected, checked for consistency, strength, and color. Only the best is passed on. The finished denim fabric is shipped around the world, crossing oceans and continents, heading to factories where fashion takes form. In garment factories, the fabric is brought to life, cut with precision, sewn with care, riveted with durability. Every stitch, a mark of craftsmanship. Design meets attitude. Lasers etch patterns, stones fade colors. Hands distress edges, giving every pair its unique character. Branded, tagged, folded, and packed, each pair of jeans gets ready to make its way to shelves, stores, and screens around the globe. From fields to factories, from hands to homes, the journey of denim is long, yet personal. So the next time you slip into your favorite jeans, know that you're wearing a legacy woven with purpose.